All I gotta say is, woo! Happy holidays! NASCAR! Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Mexico. Another day. Got my shackle hooked up, pulling a 3/4 rod. Gonna work on these 3 cylinders here. And now we could show how that's gonna sit. I got one hand, so see the bar going down? Remember, I got one hand, so now it's going to want to push it away when you go up. But this will be fastened. Be 3 of these. Eventually, there'll be 6. Well, we'll start off by turning this motor with one side, and this is going to be one part of our coil system. And we'll get into this coil system because I want to. I guess I'll put up a video, or yeah, I'll put up one of my videos that I haven't posted yet. Is uh, working on bifilar coils, cylinder coils, and pancake coils, and this right here would represent a cylinder coil. And this thing's like almost doing its own thing here. I don't know what it's doing, but it's cylinder coil. And with the cylinder coil, you'll have your pole up here and your pole down bottom, and your magnetic field is from these 2 poles going out and going over like rings all the way around this cylinder. Okay, and I got some good experiments to show you guys with single wire and bifilar wire, and even 3 wires and 4 wires. We're checking on the capacitance that's built in between the layers of the wires, and then we're also checking for the cymatics of taking 10 feet of wire, hooking up DC to it, checking the magnetism, the magnetic field force, the Gauss on that coil itself, and then taking that same length of wire on the video. I also have to where we ran a bifilar, and we're checking the magnetic strength to see, and we're also checking the capacitance in ohms. And we use the same amount of wire, but now we have 2 wires, and one's going back into the other wire, which is creating a dielectric expansion inside the distance between one wire to the other. Um, and even the coating around the wire is presenting a dielectric, but we're expanding the dielectric, which means that we're pushing more storage area of capacitance on the back EMF. So that was one phase of the what the video is showing. So I'll post that one up. You guys leave your comments if you're interested in that stuff. But this is one side of the coil. This coil will be activated. They'll pull this bar up into it, and then we'll have a second coil, and